Well, as we complete our check on those international markets, where does Europe stand at the end of the first half of this year? Maitri Sitharaman is in London with more on how the optimism for recovery is playing out there. Maitri.
Well, Chris, the latest that consumer prices in the Eurozone fell 1/10 of a percentage point from last year in June. You've also got inflation in the Eurozone turning negative in the month of June. For the first time on record, it's down to about 1/10 of a percentage point as well. Now, that's taking some of the wind out of stocks. It's a mixed bag right now in Europe, with stocks really pairing their gains thanks to the drop that we're seeing from the numbers that we just got. Again, you're going to find food and beverage and retail shares really taking the biggest hit here. But where we're mixed today, consumer confidence, well, that's rising in Europe. You've got UK consumer confidence at a 14-month high on the optimism for a recovery. That's echoing the confidence that we saw from the Eurozone yesterday, with the FTSE now headed for its best quarter since 2003. This is, of course, despite the fact that the UK economy contracted in the first quarter. That's the most since 1958. Now, the volatility index for the Stock 600, that's come down almost 33% in the past quarter, now well below its 50-day moving average. Now, take that return of confidence, add up the performance for the second quarter, and you're going to find the benchmark Dow Jones Stock 600 seeing gains of around 18% in the second quarter. But again, that still does lag the S&P's gains of more than 28% and also Asia's gains as well. And I'm talking about the best performers. Let's talk about them since we're talking about the positives here. Basic resource companies followed very closely by banks and retail stocks. One name to watch again today and for the past one quarter has been Barclays, biggest gainer today on the Stock 600. Back to you, Chris.
Maitri, thank you very much.